In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the latest vehicles facing major recalls and investigations due to serious engine and transmission problems. These issues are significant enough that you might want to think twice before purchasing these models. Whether you're in the market for a new truck, SUV, or sedan, this information could save you from costly repairs and headaches down the road. Let's get started.
The 2022 Toyota Tundra marked a significant shift for the brand, introducing a completely redesigned look and a new twin-turbo V6 engine. This engine replaced the legendary V8 that had been a staple of the Tundra for years, known for its reliability and durability. Unfortunately, the new twin-turbo V6 has not lived up to expectations.
Toyota issued a recall for approximately 100,000 Tundra trucks from the 2022 to 2023 models, due to a critical manufacturing defect. During production, metal debris was not properly cleaned out of the engine, which can lead to serious engine failure. This debris can cause damage to internal components, resulting in costly repairs or even complete engine replacement.
Toyota has taken full responsibility for the issue and is replacing defective engines at no cost to owners. This recall is the largest and most expensive in Toyota's history. While Toyota is addressing the issue, it's unclear whether this recall will fully resolve the problem or if additional issues will arise in the future. If you're considering a Tundra, especially for long-term ownership, you may want to wait and see how these engines perform over time.
General Motors has faced ongoing issues with its Ecotec 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter V8 engines, which are used in popular models like the Chevrolet Silverado, GMC Sierra, Tahoe, Suburban, and Yukon. These engines have been a source of frustration for many owners, leading to widespread recalls and investigations. The Ecotec 3 engines use cylinder deactivation technology, which is designed to improve fuel efficiency by shutting down some cylinders when they're not needed. However, this technology has led to significant problems, including collapsing lifters and bearing failures. In some cases, engines have seized at extremely low mileage, sometimes even before the first oil change. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has opened an investigation into nearly 900,000 GM vehicles from the 2019 to 2024 models equipped with these engines. GM has been replacing so many failed engines that there's now a shortage of new engines, leaving some owners stranded for weeks while waiting for repairs. This situation is a disaster, and until GM resolves these issues, it's best to avoid vehicles with these engines. Ford's EcoBoost engines have been marketed as a blend of power and efficiency, but the 2.7-liter and 3.0-liter V6 versions have a history of severe issues. These engines are used in a variety of Ford and Lincoln models, including the F-150, Explorer, and Lincoln Aviator. The problem is that over 90,000 Ford and Lincoln vehicles from the 2021 to 2022 models were recalled due to faulty intake valves that can cause engine failure. This recall was the result of an earlier NHTSA probe involving more than 700,000 vehicles with these engines. Ford's EcoBoost engines have been plagued by a range of problems, including oil and coolant leaks, cam phaser issues, turbo failures, and timing chain problems. While Ford claims that many of these issues have been addressed in the 2024 and 2025 models, only time will tell if these fixes are effective. If you're considering a Ford with an EcoBoost engine, proceed with caution. The 10-speed automatic transmission, co-developed by Ford and GM, has been used in many trucks and SUVs since 2017. It has been a source of frustration for many owners. Owners have reported a range of issues, including rough shifting, jerking, unexpected power loss, and complete transmission failure. Common culprits include faulty valve bodies, leaking gaskets, and defective torque converters. Hundreds of thousands of vehicles have been recalled, and some owners have had to go through multiple transmission replacements. Class action lawsuits have also been filed, highlighting the severity of the problem. Buying a vehicle with this transmission is a significant risk, especially for models produced before 2024. If you're considering a Ford or GM vehicle with this transmission, be sure to research its history and check for any recalls or repairs. Jeep's plug-in hybrid models, the Grand Cherokee 4xe and Wrangler 4SE, have been plagued with serious issues, making them some of the least reliable hybrids on the market. Over 150,000 vehicles were recalled due to a fire risk caused by potential internal failure of the high-voltage battery. An earlier recall affected 32,000 vehicles for the same issue. Other issues: NHTSA is also investigating reports of vehicles shutting down unexpectedly, adding to the long list of problems with these models. These hybrids are among the worst on the market, and I recommend avoiding them entirely. The combination of fire risks, unexpected shutdowns, and other reliability issues makes them a poor choice for consumers. Honda, known for its reliable engines, has faced issues with its 3.5-liter V6 engine. The company initially recalled around 250,000 vehicles, but NHTSA later expanded the investigation to include 1.4 million vehicles from 2016 to 2020 models. The engines are at risk of connecting rod bearing failure, which can cause complete engine failure. If you own or are considering one of these vehicles, it's worth checking if your model is affected. While the risk appears to be relatively low, it's still something to be aware of. Hyundai and Kia's 8-speed dual-clutch transmission has been a source of frustration for many owners. Vehicles from 2021 to 2022 models experience harsh, jerky or erratic shifting, and some lose power while driving. The Kia Sorento and Hyundai Santa Fe with the 2.5-liter turbo engine are the most problematic. Dual-clutch transmissions are notoriously unreliable, and I generally recommend avoiding them, especially for long-term ownership. This is one of the largest and most severe recall campaigns in automotive history, involving over 50 recalls and millions of vehicles from 2012 to 2022 models. These engines are prone to piston ring failure, heavy oil consumption, engine fires, and complete engine failure. Thousands of engines have been replaced and class action lawsuits have been filed. Hyundai and Kia were fined over $200 million for failing to address recalls promptly. Avoid used Hyundai and Kia vehicles with these engines at all costs. Always check for recalls on the NHTSA or Transport Canada websites before purchasing a car. If you've owned any of these vehicles, share your experience in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car buying advice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.